Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir, English High School, CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 5, Lesson 6, Decimals. So let's go forward. Division of a decimal fraction by tens, hundreds, thousands. We had also learned the multiplication of decimal fractions by tens, hundreds, thousands. Yes, by just shifting the point. Similarly, for division, while dividing a decimal by multiples of 10, the decimal shifts to the left by as many places as there are zeros in the divisor. For the multiplication, the rule was same, but the decimal shifts to the right. But for division, the decimal shifts to the left. So when we move the decimals, we have to count how many are. Suppose if it is divided by 10, I will shift one place, as the zero is 1 zeros. So I will shift one place to the left. If it is for 100, I will shift 2 zeros, and if it is for 1000, I will shift 3 zeros, but to the left. For multiplication, we move to the right, and for division, we move to the left. And the other thing is, if the number of places in the integral part is less, this was the same for multiplication also. If it is less, then what do? Yes, we add the number of zeros to the left and then shift the decimal point. Okay, so I will explain when I am doing the exercise sums on these shifting of decimal, division of decimal by multiples of 10. Okay. So let's start exercise 6C, fill in the blanks. See, now these are all the division we have to do by the multiples of 10, tens, hundreds, thousands. So as per the rule, we have to just shift the decimal point to the left. So the first rule, now it is 17.1 divided by 10. So 10 has how many zeros? 1 zero. So I will shift the decimal point from here one place to the left. For multiplication, we were moving to the right. For division, to the left. So when I move to the left, my point will shift from here and come here. So my answer will be 1.71. Now 42.08 I have to divide by 10. So again one place I have to shift the decimal point to the left. So it will become 4.208. 2.1 divided by 100. Now 100 has two places, but this number has only one places. So according to the rule 2, we have to add the number of zeros required and then decimal point. So we need two places. So I will write 0 to 1, then place the decimal point and one more zero in. For the 2, I shifted and I added one more zero for the other decimal place and then the decimal point. 73.3 divided by 100. Now again two places, so the decimal point to the left 1, 2 and no number, so I will add 0.733. Next one, 81.6 by 1000. How many places? 1, 2, 3. And here only two places, so I will add one more zero. I'll write 816, add one more zero, then put the decimal point and 0. So my answer will be 0.0816. 984.72 divided by 10,000. How many places are there? 4. So 1, 2, 3 only. So what will I do? Yes, I will put a 0.098472. So the point was near 4. So I shifted 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got my answer here. So this exercise, question number 8, you can do it in your textbook. Similarly, question number 9 also is the same type, and this also you can do it in your textbook. So I will explain that now. Okay, so question number 8 and 9 in your textbook, same method. 1345.02 divided by 10,000. Now how many decimal places? How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, and already 4 places, so directly 0.134502. So from the decimal point from here, I shifted 4 places. 32.23 by 1000, 3 places, only 2 here. So I will write 0.03223. So the decimal point was here. So 1, 2, 3 places. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Okay. 98.01 by 10,000. So I will write 9801 and here the decimal point was here, I have to shift 2 places. So 1, 2. So I will add 2 more because I need 4 places. Then put a decimal point and a 0. 0.003 divided by 100, 2 places. Yes, so I have 1 place is already there and I have to add 1 more place. So 2 zeros. 0.0003. So 003 was already there in the number. The decimal point I shifted 1 place. So do I have to put 1 more 0? Yes, I have to put 1 more 0. Please recheck. The decimal point was here, 2 places. I just counted 2 zeros. So please recheck whenever you do. Now 1.1005 by 100. So I write my number. And where was my decimal point? It was here. So 2 places 1. So 2 places I add 1 0, put my decimal point and add a 0. Okay, 0.0071 divided by 1000. So first step is just copy the number as it is. The decimal point was here. So now 3 places and it is 1 place. So I will add 2 zeros, put the decimal point and 1 more 0. So my answer will be 0.1234 zeros and 7 1. Okay, I know there are too many zeros for all these sums. Okay, 2.3001. So I will write my number 23001 and the decimal point was near 2. I have to divide by 10,000, so 4 zeros. So 1 place already there. I will add 3 more places, so 3 zeros and a decimal point and a 0. So from 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 places. 83.715 by 1000. So I will write 83751 and 3 places. The decimal point was near 3. So 1, 2, 3. I get the point and the decimal number. Hope you all are understanding. Just looking, but recheck when there are number of zeros are more. So question number exercise 6C, question number 8 and 9, you can do it in your textbook. Okay.